This is teamNIA, and today we're doing nothing! Yay! We are doing something so cool that it's not even better. Wait, what? That makes some sense. That's supposed to be so cool. You know, let's just show you what's stretchy, what's goopy, and super sticky sometimes. It matters how you make it because you need glue and activator and food coloring, and glitter makes everything better, so that's slime. So this thing is so cool. Look, you get to stretch the slime to stretchy. And look, I got a little pocket to put my tools in. How cool is that? Okay, so we're doing this, sliding it out. My favorite part about it is that there's glitter. Yay! Oops, on the wrong side. And yep, there's two bowls. Like that. So what am I favorite part about this is that there's glitter. So this is obviously everything it comes with, and let me tell you what it is. This is regular glue. That's a clear slime glue. This is activator, I think. Yeah, activator. This is some beautiful glitter. And this is a little cup to measure it. I did not do anything really weird the way that I kind of drew it across the room. So yeah, people. And then it comes with these little cups so you can keep it in storage. These little tops so they don't dry out. Two little bowls, you can take them out so you can have someone else do it with you. And some paint so you can make it look beautiful. We're gonna pour the clear slime glue into the bowl. Let's get started. What if I mess up with pouring it? And after you're done while it's going down, you should scrape it. So we're pouring some water into this bowl of glue. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna pour this glitter without stirring the glue and the water. Make a tiny little bowl. Oh my god. Next, we're gonna put this activator. Ooh, 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 activator, ooh, activator, ooh, 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 activator, ooh. Okay, let's pour all of it in. I don't mean all of the activator, I mean all of it in the cup. And then mix it until it looks like it's transforming to slime. Look in the middle. It's already like slime. Oh my god, it's so cool and glittery and big. It's bigger than I thought. And then it starts drying up. But you gotta keep on stirring even though it looks like slime. So jiggly, it's like jiggly slime. I don't even know if that's a slime. Whoa! Okay. Oh my god. I'm rolling it. Super cool. Like, not cool, but cool. I don't mean like it's cold, I mean it's cool to play with. That type of cool.
15 minutes later.
Ooh, it's a good stretch. Ah. Like I said earlier, guys, glitter makes everything better. You want to see that stretch one more time? Okay, after we get it off of me. That was so scary. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there. And right. It's the process of slime. I already got a stick. Is this recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I have glitter all over me. Guys, this is a dream come true. Glue goes first. Now we're putting some water in. Let's do it. Let's see that stretch. I bet you it's a good stretch. Wow. Big bowl for a tiny slime. If you guys get this set, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell. Ding, 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 ding! I'm trying not to smile, but it's